Bosch is a pioneer in battery technology since 1969, constantly inventing products for life. Our vision is to provide one single battery for all applications in and around your home. Buying only one battery and charger will not only save you space and money, we are also convinced that this is a significant step towards doing things more sustainably. To date, Bosch Home & Garden has 20 million Power for All batteries in the market. With just one 18-volt battery, you can already operate around 40 power tools and garden tools to date. There is drills, there's saws, there's lawnmowers, there's rainwater pumps and many, many more. As a pioneer in battery technology, we offer home users and hobby gardeners innovative, high-quality and high-performance solutions with extraordinary durability, always aiming to improve quality of people's lives. But our vision is actually much greater than that. In order to realize our vision, to create the battery for your home, we're opening up the Home & Garden 18-volt battery platform to partners. In order to realize the world's largest cross-brand battery platform for the entire home, the Power for All Alliance. Let's see who's in.
Some people say the garden is the home's extension of the living room. To me, it is much more than that. It is a place where I can connect to nature, create, or just kick back and relax. A garden means work, but it just doesn't feel like it. And with the right tools, it can even be fun and a passion. Gardena's range of battery-powered products will cover all tasks in the garden and help you take care of your green space. And for every task, there's a battery-powered tool. The Power for All Alliance is a real game changer because having one battery system in and around the house makes it so easy to go from work indoors to work outdoors in the garden. There will be more than 10 different Gardena products to choose from. Power for your lawn, power for your hedges, power for your trees and shrubs, power for your watering and cleaning needs. Just power for all. Let's pass it to our friends.
Gloria is a family-owned company and has been a strong brand in the lawn and garden industry since 75 years. Over the last decade, we developed from a very well-known sprayer brand into a future-oriented, innovative brand in Europe. A big success story for our company is the battery-operated brush system Multibrush. The Multibrush is a system where you can exchange different types of brushes, from very gentle surfaces to very hard surfaces. Another battery-based product is the new MultiJet, which is a high-performance spraying system. You can clean surfaces with 25 bars, but you also can water your plants and you also can fertilize your flowers. This makes it very unique. At the moment, we are offering 3 products which are operated with the Bosch battery. Already for next season, we will double the number, which is a big step for us. We are convinced that our customers will benefit from the cordless world of power tools, because cordless freedom is the future. That's why we think the Power for All Alliance produces a lot of winners.
One battery for the entire home. Bosch Home Appliances is a proud member of this vision with our cordless unlimited vacuum cleaner. It can be easily picked up. It is very powerful, convenient to use, it is lightweight and very versatile. Thanks to its many accessories, you can basically clean your entire house on all levels and even in your car. Limited runtime is usually the reason not to buy a cordless vacuum cleaner. Now we have the solution, the first vacuum cleaner with an exchangeable battery. And here you can non-stop cleaning your house, and with a quick charger you don't have to stop at all. People believe that a cordless vacuum cleaner is not powerful per se. But we prove different. We have an original Bosch battery technology that gives us a lot of energy. We have the latest motor technology, and this in combination makes a competitive performance. The Bosch Unlimited is actually very successful. We are beating all our competitors in the recent consumer tests, and we are successfully selling this product in more than 78 countries. In the future there is more to come. We continuously work on that unlimited platform and extend the scope of what you can use or can do with the product even more. With this battery, we can offer the greatest variety of applications in and around the entire home. See who's next.
Wagner stands for quality and innovation in coating technology. Our mission? We bring color, protection and function to surfaces. Wagner offers a broad portfolio for any kind of painting shop, indoor or outdoor. So we have wallpaper strippers, we have hot air guns, or we have paint sprayers for any kind of coating project you want to do. Our customers benefit of 70 years of experience on global scale, so we know exactly what we do and we bring this expertise to our customers and end users. The future looks like wireless freedom, so we will have products with a battery-driven Power for All solution. While we are operating globally and with the Power for All Alliance, we have found a partner that gives us constant access to the latest technology. This creates completely new opportunities for our end users. Now, with a battery-driven solution, they are independent from local conditions or power supply. We are convinced that our customers will love that solution of having maximum flexibility with a cordless solution. Here's the one battery for your home, and it's off to the next partner.
Many people know Bosch for its home appliances and power tools, possibly also for being one of the technology leaders in the automotive industry. At Bosch e-stroller systems, we go beyond. We exploit Bosch's expertise in electrical drives and sensor technology to make everyday adventures with your baby safer and more convenient. Bosch teamed up with the baby stroller brand Emma Junga to build baby strollers with an intelligent assistance system. Bosch e-stroller system helps you to go uphill and also keeping the track on side slopes. It also helps you slowing down when you go downhill. And the automatic parking brake assists you when you forgot to press it. Being on the road with your child, you need a reliable, compact and lightweight battery with a sufficient range. The Power for All battery supports you in hilly terrain for up to 15 kilometers and more. This is mobility e-powered by Bosch. This is the Power for All battery.
Together as a Power for All Alliance, we will offer you the largest application variety in and around your home.
And we will be constantly expanding this to include new areas of life and applications.
One battery for the entire home.
This is what we stand for.
Today
and in the future.
Power
For all.